Ever wondered how the guys who fix your AC, unclog your drains, or repair your roof manage to juggle so many calls, appointments, and invoices? They're not magicians, folks. They're using tools, powerful tools. And one of the biggest names in that toolkit is Housecall Pro. But when did this digital superhero first arrive on the scene? Let's rewind. Picture this. It's the early 2010s. Smartphones are still relatively new, and most businesses are still using pen and paper to manage their operations. For home service pros, it was a nightmare. Scheduling conflicts, lost paperwork, and delayed payments were the norm. It was a world of chaos, where every day felt like a high-stakes juggling act. Now, imagine a software platform that could magically solve all those problems. That's the dream a group of entrepreneurs had. They wanted to create a tool that would streamline operations, boost efficiency, and ultimately, help home service businesses thrive. And that's exactly what they did. Housecall Pro, the software that would revolutionize the home service industry, was born in 2013. It was a small, but ambitious startup with a big vision: to empower home service professionals. From the very beginning, Housecall Pro was designed with the needs of the tradesperson in mind. It wasn't just about creating software. It was about building a tool that would become an indispensable part of their daily routine. The early days weren't easy. Building a software platform from scratch is a complex and challenging process. But the Housecall Pro team was determined. They poured their heart and soul into the project, working tirelessly to create a product that would truly make a difference. And they succeeded. Slowly but surely, word about Housecall Pro started to spread. Home service professionals were discovering the benefits of using the platform to manage their businesses. They were able to schedule appointments more efficiently, generate professional estimates, and get paid faster. It was like a breath of fresh air for an industry that had been stuck in the past. As the platform gained traction, the Housecall Pro team continued to innovate. They added new features, improved performance, and expanded their reach. The goal was always to stay ahead of the curve and provide the best possible solution for their customers. Today, Housecall Pro is a household name in the home service industry. It's used by thousands of businesses across the United States and Canada. The platform has helped countless professionals grow their businesses, increase revenue, and improve customer satisfaction. But it all started with a dream of creating a tool that would make life easier for home service professionals. And that dream, born in 2013, has become a reality. So, the next time you call a plumber, electrician, or HVAC technician, remember the software that's helping them run their business. It might just be the unsung hero behind the smooth service you're receiving. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.